enable password authentication in Linux machine. So here I'm gonna launch Amazon Linux to machine. Choose free tier 1, tags, security groups. I'm gonna choose an existing one. Choose existing key. So now I launched a machine. If I want to connect it to this machine, without supplying any keys, so for that I'm going to show you that how to do. So meanwhile it's going to launch now. So meanwhile we need to generate a couple of keys, a private key and public key, to in order to connect to that Linux machine. So I'm going to use ssh key gen -t rsa. This command generates a public key and private key together. So if I press enter, enter again, enter again, enter. So now it's been generated two keys, one public key and one private key in this location. Users rishi.sh id as a pub key. So if I go to that location now, I could see a couple of keys. Users rishi in the .ssh. So I have two files. One is public key and private key. So if I want to access this Linux machine which I launched without the key, so I need to paste this public key in this machine. So in order to do that, so I'm gonna connect it to this machine first. So I'm gonna open here ssh -i. I already given this key as a by launching this machine, so I'm gonna use that key. EC2 user -user at the right public IP. So now I connected to that machine now. So basically in Linux, if I do pwd, we usually have this public key in this machine as well. I mean this mac key is public key. So if I do ls-a, I could see .ssh folder. So I'm gonna cd to that folder. If I do ls again, I could see authorized keys. So I already generated a couple of keys in my local machine, so I got the public key. If I put this public key in this machine, so it's going to enable that passwordless authentication. I'll show you now. So if I open this file, the public key one, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it in this authorized keys. I'm gonna delete everything. So I'm gonna paste that, save and exit. If I open new terminal here, okay, if I do ssh ec2-user and if I supply this public IP, it won't ask for password now. Straight away gonna connect. See this. So this is how we enable passwordless authentication. Thank you.